Don't hassle the Hoff! There's a reason for it. So you're probably wondering why I just quoted David Hasselhoff, or at least like the meme of David Hasselhoff. And the reason being is this black beauty right here is actually inspired by none other than David Hasselhoff's crazy 80s show, KnightRider. There we go. KnightRider. The name for this system has been dubbed Kitt by the individual that purchased this system, and I think it's going to be a hit. This system, being as gargantuan as it is, it's not just gargantuan in size, it is gargantuan in specifications. You are looking at an NVLink SLI based 64-core Threadripper system. So that's the Threadripper 3990x. It's got 256 gigabytes of Kingston memory, RGB of course, 2 RTX 3090s liquid cooled by EK's vector blocks, none other than. We primarily use EK parts because, well, I mean, look at that. Just look at that. Just look at it. We love the quality of their parts, and so we're always thrilled to build systems like this. And I mean, you can really tell just by looking at this system. We put a lot of time and effort into the way that it looks and the way that it performs. That's actually why we usually don't work with these huge reservoirs that you see. We did that to scale it, because in a system like this, with as large as it is, that tends to add to the aesthetics when things are to scale. You know, speaking of to scale, as you'll see in the B-roll footage, we have a custom etched front panel for it with Kitt up at the top and at the bottom. It's bigger on the inside. No, the system is bigger. No, I'm just... Anyway, so 48 gigs of VRAM in this system, right? How about it? That's fantastic. In addition to all the stuff that you see at the front of the PC, there's a lot going on in the back. See, it's business up front, party in the back. We have 480mm radiator here, and a 480mm radiator right here. And they're packed full of fans, top to bottom. And we have the airflow coming in on this side and blowing that way, because you want directional airflow when it comes to having radiators within this proximity. Otherwise, they're going to be fighting the static pressure within the case. It's going to be havoc on the airflow, and then the system's just not going to perform as well as you would expect it to. See, we don't just build pretty systems, we actually know what we're building and how we're building it for your benefit. If you want to see more sweet builds from us, check out our other AVARigs videos. Want to see more sweet videos from us, check out our AVA. If you want to see more sweet videos on our AVARigs, why am I yelling? If you want to see... If you want to see more sweet-ass systems on our... If you want to see more sweet-ass videos, check out our YouTube. Check out our Twitter, check out our Facebook. We post these things everywhere because it's 2021 and we're gonna act like things aren't on fire and everything's readily available. But really, we're just trying to keep our heads above water like you all, and I hope you're doing safe and you're doing the social distance thing and making sure that you care about your neighbor, even if you don't really. Just be considerate. Kind of like how we were considerate when building this system and making sure it was absolutely pristine. So check out avadirect.com for more systems. Check out our YouTube. For more videos, like and subscribe below, whether you hate us or love us, because really, we're not here for you, we're here to show you sweet systems. So love it or hate it, this is what we do, and we're pretty damn good at it. See ya!
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.